You ever do this, sir?
What's that?
A lot of fart on fire.
What they got for sale?
Yeah, just. I'm gonna buy a few. You gonna try?
Yeah, I'll believe you.
There you go. Yeah, good stuff.
Don't tell me that you love me, don't tell me that you care. Tell me that you need me, but why you always...
What is up, guys? Big shout out to Corey Vance for letting us use his music in our intro and outro. Check out his album 1111 anywhere you can get music: iTunes, Amazon, YouTube. Links will be in the description. Please go show him some love for helping us out. Thank you, guys. Love you.
I'm sorry.
No, not really. I wish it won't go away. Yeah, please. Ned, I don't know, must have messed up. Alright, maybe.
John, please visit the fabric counter for customer service.
Jingle bell shark. Jingle bell all the way. Oh my god, it's perfect. Slip sometimes.
Getting that caught that put on the damn internet.
Here, let's try it.
Let's do a light.
Yeah. No, wait, let me move. I don't need that thing for me.
That means work.
Yeah, I'm going on a camping trip. Trying to. You can't. In the woods, you never know. Have a good day, sir.
You do.
Oh, you know my favorite time about this year? Like
What?
Thanksgiving and Christmas? The food.
Oh yeah.
The worst
true.
part is the gas.
Oh my word.
I know.
You have got something other than soap. You
I
got one of
this.
those portable ones.
I wish. It's all real.
Excuse me. I go this way.
I like the big jugs. It's fun. Woo!
Excuse me. Jake Paul. Jake Paul. There you go, buddy. Oh, wow. That one hurt, buddy. Let me go to the bathroom.
No, they got it.
I don't know what it was. All right, let's go. We're done.
For what?
what you're doing.
What are we doing?
I know what you're doing.
Okay, what are we doing?
What are you doing?
What am I doing?
What are you doing?
They changed everything on us and I'm like,
I think I'm letting go. I think I'm letting